Sir, how about for those countries that don't have much sun? Can they get blessings from the sun on a cloudy day, or perhaps from the rain?
Yes. Yes, the rain also blesses. Yeah, it's different. Yes, and a less sunny country, less blessing from the sun. But we have other sources of blessing, as I told you, from the sea, from the water, from the river, from the trees, from the plants in your gardens, from your dogs, your cats, from the wild animals surrounding your area, okay? Flying over your houses, the birds in the gardens, the fox, the tigers, the lions. Even if they're not around you, they're far away from you, but if you request their blessing, they will be sending it your way, okay?
Wow.
They are very gracious. Animals are very gracious.
Master, as we were just talking about nature blessing us, and the question is, the elements of nature blessing us, is that keeping a balance of the earth, keeping it in order?
Oh, yes, of course. They give love. Nature or wild animals or all animals give us blessing because we are not able to bless ourselves enough. You see, they're helping to give all this love to counter the hatred that we breed within this world, and we breed within war with each other and with animals. If there have not been the animals' love and the nature's love, like even trees and plants and ocean and rivers, we would have been annihilated long time already. We would have disappeared long time without their love and their help. So we have to be grateful for all around us who has been helping us unconditionally, quietly, with all the sacrifice that they made. I'm always grateful. I don't know how about you or anyone else. Every day I'm grateful that we are still here, that the planet is still rescuable, that we are in good condition, some part of our planet still in good condition. They are keeping us in balance to buy time. They're keeping us in balance. I hope everyone be aware of our fortune and be grateful.
Yes, Master. Definitely, Master.